Dear audience of Atavatan TV Channel, good evening. I'm Ysmayyl Orazgylyjov, and welcome to our Turkmenistan Weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. The President of Turkmenistan received the head of Daewoo Engineering and Construction Komünist Ltd. President Serdar Berdimuhamedov received the head of Daewoo Engineering and Construction Komünist Ltd. Baek Jong-wan. During the meeting, the importance of the state visit of the President of the Republic of Korea, Yoon Suk-yeol, to Turkmenistan this month was emphasized, as a result of which important agreements and understandings were reached that determined promising areas of joint work. In this regard, the head of state highly appreciated the established positive cooperation between the state concern Türkmen Himiya and the company Daewoo Engineering and Construction Komünist Ltd., declaring the readiness of the Turkmen side to consider specific proposals from Korean partners for the development of the chemical industry, in particular the production of phosphorus, phosphate, ammonia, and urea fertilizers. The national leader of the Turkmen people met with the leaders of Kawasaki Heavy Industries Ltd. The national leader of the Turkmen people, chairman of the Halk Maslahati of Turkmenistan, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, had a meeting with the senior advisor on strategic issues of the Japanese company Kawasaki Heavy Industries Ltd., Tatsuya Watanabe, and the executive director of this company, Kenji Sanada. It was emphasized that with the company Kawasaki Heavy Industries Ltd., over the years, a fruitful partnership has been established, and several large projects have been implemented. Examples of this are the plant for the production of gasoline from natural gas in Ovadan Depe, the urea plant in Meri Velayat, and the Kelyata cement plant. Along with the work at full capacity of the commissioned facilities and taking into account Turkmenistan's big plans for the production and processing of natural gas, new opportunities are emerging for the development of bilateral cooperation. President of Turkmenistan received the Minister of National Defense of the Republic of Turkey. President Serdar Berdimuhamedov received the Minister of National Defense of the Republic of Turkey, Yaşar Güler. Thanking for the kind words, President Serdar Berdimuhamedov addressed warm greetings in return to the leader of the fraternal state, noting that the development and strengthening of strategic and long-term cooperation with the Republic of Turkey is an invariable priority on the foreign policy agenda of Turkmenistan. Focusing on the importance of the working visit of the head of the Defense Department of a friendly country to Ashgabat, the head of state expressed confidence that the upcoming meetings and negotiations will give new impetus to Turkmen-Turkish relations in this area. During the meeting, the Supreme Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Turkmenistan and the Minister of National Defense of the Republic of Turkey exchanged views on the prospects for a bilateral partnership that has solid potential. On June 26, 2024, the national leader of the Turkmen people, chairman of the Halk Maslahati of Turkmenistan Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, met with the Minister of National Defense of the Republic of Turkey, Yaşar Güler. The delegation of Turkmenistan participated in the International Business Forum of the Organization of Turkic States in Cholpon Ata. The delegation of Turkmenistan, led by the chairman of the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Turkmenistan, Gurdov, took part in the International Business Forum of the Organization of Turkic States, OTS. Delegations and representatives of business structures of the OTS member countries attended the event. During the forum, issues of strengthening bilateral and multilateral mechanisms and structures of interaction with the participation of foreign investment were discussed. In particular, the possibilities of developing cooperation between trade and industrial organizations of Turkic states were considered in order to develop trade and economic relations. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.